Welcome to the EdbMails SharePoint Online Backup, a step-by-step guide. EdbMails SharePoint Backup Tool offers a secure way to back up your SharePoint Online data from Microsoft 365 to a local drive. Easily back up document libraries, lists, folders, and site pages while preserving folder structure. The software supports incremental backups and granular selection, helping you save time and storage space. Monitor progress in real time with detailed report. Let's walk through the step-by-step process to back up SharePoint Online using EdbMails.
Download EdbMails from the official website.
Click Download EdbMails. Click EdbMails Setup File.
Complete the installation process on your system.
Log into EdbMails application with the email address and password or click Start your free trial. Select Backup SharePoint Sites, OneDrive Teams. Select SharePoint OneDrive Backup. Keep the default job name or click New Job to change. Click Browse. Select the location to save the backup data. Click Next to continue. Enter the source SharePoint server details. Then click Grant Required Permissions. Select the required options. Then click here to grant admin access automatically. Authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin Account.
Click Sign In.
Select the required sites.
Click Continue.
Click Next to continue. Again, you need to authenticate on Microsoft Sign-In page with Global Admin Account.
Click Sign In.
Admin access being granted to the selected SharePoint site. Admin access granted message. Click Next to continue. Select one of the authentication method. Click Login to continue. Select the required option to load the site. Click Next to continue. Expand the SharePoint site. Select the required SharePoint sites for backup. Click Next to continue. Click Start Backup. Backup operation under progress. Backup operation completed. Click View Logs button to get operation report. That's it for a hassle-free SharePoint Online backup. Visit edbmails.com today.